The Absolute AT1100 latest generation of enclosed linear scales incorporates Mitutoyo's electromagnetic induction technology, which provides excellent resistance against contaminants such as coolant, chips, and dust. The unit's robust housing uses industry-standard machine tool mounting dimensions. The innovative shape and location of the detector track in the aluminum frame provides a highly effective defense against the contamination of the scale and sensor, even in harsh environments. Coolant and most foreign objects do not affect position detection. The sensor-to-air gap is approximately 0.4 millimeters, about 4 times as wide as that of a conventional optical or electromagnetic induction system, thereby providing additional protection against dust or oil contamination. This ABS linear scale easily interfaces with all major control suppliers. Mitutoyo's global network of metrology centers and support operations provides application, calibration, service, repair, and educational programs to ensure that our more than 6,500 metrology products deliver measurement solutions for our customers throughout their lifetime.